This is a checkpoint of the observatory of Sabadell. This is the geography position of the observatory. And this is the telescope. In the control base are 3 computers. We open the first computer. In the first computer, we have to put the hour, the minute and the second exactly. For this, we need the hour international that we get with a satellite, and we have to less 1 hour when it's winter and 2 hours when it's summer. And like this, we can get the hour real of minutes, seconds. Now we have to connect the telescope with the computer. Later we have to go up to the cupola and later we open the cupola for see better the telescope and for film this video and put on the camera CCD. Now we put in the second computer the program MasterArt. We connect the red filter. We take the top of the telescope. Now we have to call the camera CCD. Why we call the camera CCD? We call the camera CCD for do better the image. When the camera CCD is at a temperature natural, the images have one thing that we say like sound of technology, then the image is not so good. When we call the camera, this sound of technology is not here and we can do better the image. But we have to lower more. We do very slow because if not it will condensate the water that is in the ambient and it will do bad things in the camera. We must have -10 grades. Now we will start with the images. The first thing that we have to do in the images is create a new folder. And like this we can put all the photos and we do in this folder. The second thing that we have to do is take the contamination that is in front of the camera. We cannot take the contamination because the camera is in the telescope and it's very difficult to remove. And we have to do another technique thing. That is take an image with the telescope seeing anything black and another seeing only the light. Of these two photos of the black and white, we have to do the black 10 photos of 5 seconds and later 10 photos of 60 seconds. That is 1 minute. Of the white, we only have to do 10 photos of 60 seconds. We start with the image of blazar. First of all, we put database, locate object, and we put the name of the blazar with a key. Now we can see in the square the area of the sky that we can see with the telescope. For see better, we have to near to it. This is the visual chart. The black hole that we are observing now is 5 billion light years. When the telescope is prepared to do a photo, we only have to put in the correctly way for do it. For this we have to move the telescope for the good position. And later when the telescope is moved, we have to move also the cupola in the correct way for give to the telescope a space for look the sky. This is the end of the part of the image of a quasar.